Hello everyone, my name is Buddhika and I will present my research on the performance analysis of the speed type air conditioner using R32 as the working fluid. This study was conducted as part of my mechanical engineering individual research project under the collaboration with Aban's company. Overview. This presentation covers the project's introduction, problem statement, methodology, timeline, expected result, and conclusion with next step. Introduction. Why is this project important? HVAC systems consume a significant amount of energy, contributing to high electricity cost and environmental concerns. Traditional refrigerants such as R410A have a high global warming potential. This research focuses on R32, a more efficient and environmentally friendly refrigerant. The objective of my study is to conduct an experimental analysis of an R32 based split air conditioner in a controlled climate chamber, evaluating its performance and power consumption. Problem statement and knowledge gaps. Currently, air conditioners have two main challenges: high energy consumption and environmental impact due to refrigerants. R32 is a promising alternative as it has a lower GWP and higher energy efficiency than R410A. However, there is limited experimental data on how R32 performs in real-world conditions, particularly in split-type air conditioning. My study aims to address this gap by conducting controlled experiments and analyzing the performance matrix of R32. Methodology. To conduct this study, I followed a structured approach. First, I visit Aban's company to collect information about the indoor and outdoor unit, dimensions, and key AC system components. Then I inspected the climate chamber, where I measured temperature, humidity, and airflow conditions to ensure a stable environment for accurate data collection. This setup allows us to control and monitor the system's performance under different conditions. Project timeline and current progress. This project has been carried out in several stages. We started with topic selection, proposal submissions, and system identification. Then we moved on to climate chamber setup and initial data collection. Currently, we are analyzing the collected data. The final steps include evaluating the performance results, writing the report, and preparing the final presentation. Literature review. Research shows that R32 refrigerant improves energy efficiency and reduces environmental impact compared to traditional refrigerant like R410A. Studies confirm that R32 based air conditioners consume less power while maintaining high cooling performance. These findings support our project's goal of analyzing R32 performance in a controlled environment. Expected result and challenges. We expect R32 to demonstrate better energy efficiency compared to conventional refrigerant like R410A. The power consumption analyzed under different environmental conditions will provide insight into its performance. However, these are challenges in ensuring accurate environmental control within the climate chamber, managing variation in real-world data. Overcoming these challenges is crucial for obtaining reliable results. Conclusion. In summary, this project focused on the experimental evaluation of an R32 based split air conditioner. Our data collection phase is complete and we are currently analyzing the result. Moving forward, we will finalize the power consumption evaluation, conduct a risk assessment, and complete the final report. This research aims to contribute valuable data on the flexibility of R32 as a more energy efficient refrigerant option. Thank you for your attention. I appreciate your time.